Ready to revolutionize your WooCommerce store and tap into the booming world of cryptocurrency? First, head over to your WordPress dashboard, then click on Plugins in the left-hand menu, followed by Add New. In the search bar, type Binance Pay WooCommerce. You should see the official plugin appear in the search results. Find the Binance Pay WooCommerce plugin, make sure it's the official one to ensure security and compatibility, then click the Install Now button. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your WooCommerce store. Now navigate to WooCommerce Settings, find WooCommerce in your dashboard, and then click Settings. Next, select the Payments tab. You should now see Binance Pay listed as a payment option. If it's not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Click on Manage next to Binance Pay to configure the plugin. Here, you'll need to enter your Binance Pay API keys and merchant ID, which you can obtain from your Binance business account. Fill in all the required information carefully. To test your integration, place a test order on your store and select Binance Pay as the payment method. A QR code will be generated. Scan this with your Binance app to complete the test transaction. Once the payment is successful, you should see an order confirmation on your store indicating that the payment was processed through Binance Pay, and just like that, you're accepting crypto payments with Binance Pay. Subscribe for more WooCommerce and crypto integration tutorials.